that the first way I taught you how to get into it was just from underhand circles, where you wrap up and then bring it in like this. And then I'm not sure we did, if you were to tap it, I'm not sure we did this portion where we did it in overhands, because that's another version of it. If you start with the poi wrapped around your hand and in overhand here on your side plane, but wrapped around your hand, and then drop your left hand because you're lefty, and then we'll do your right hand, come in and out. So this one, like we did last time, just make sure you have it in overhand. And then bring it inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, outside. Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, outside. And inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it outside. And inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and outside. And one more time, go inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it outside. Switch hands. So now with your left hand, you're going to bring it up and pull it towards you at the bottom of the circle. And we'll go outside and inside and outside and inside and outside and inside and do the figure 8. And then we're going to bring it from the outside to the inside and do it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it outside and then come back inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then figure 8 out, then back in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Figure out, then back in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out and in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out and in. Okay, so for this one, if you're here, like this, just in overhand circles, let's bring them in and then split the timing so that you go into the overhand buzzsaw, not the underhand one. The reason I wanted to show it to you is because I'm pretty sure you know how to do the weave, right? So if you're doing the weave and you know the overhand buzzsaw, what you can do is, I'll show you from this angle so you can see where I'm doing the wrap up. I'm going to wrap my hand on the crossing side, right? So it goes shorter there. And then I'm going to wrap my hand on the crossing side so it goes shorter there, and then bring them both to the middle. So if I showed you that from the side, I'll show you slowly. I'm in the weave. When my left is on top of the right, I wrap it up. When my right is on top of the left, I wrap it up. Then I bring the two of them to the inside. Now, if I show you the whole thing as if I wasn't slowing it down and I just do it in flow, it's that fast. Let's try your right hand, and I'm turning this way so that you can stand whichever way makes sense for you, but I'm turning this way so that you can see what I'm doing with my hand with the wrap. So let's just start by practicing cross, wrap, uncross, release. So you're crossing, 3, 2, 1. Now cross and wrap, and uncross and release. And then figure 8, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll wrap it on the cross this time, uncross, release. And 3, 2, 1, cross and wrap, and unwrap as you release the other side, and cross, 3, and 2, and 1, and now wrap it up, and now uncross and release, and figure 8 for 3, and 2, and 1, and now this next time wrap it around, come back to the home side and release, and then one more time, 3, and 2, and 1, and wrap and bring it home and release. Okay, let's try it with the left hand now. So same thing, figure 8, 3, and 2, and 1, and then cross, wrap, bring it home, release, and 3, 2, 1. Now cross and wrap, bring it home and release, and 3, 2, 1, and cross and wrap, and then release, bring it home, and 3, and 2, and 1, cross, wrap, bring it home, release, and cross, 3, and 2, and last time, go to the right, cross, wrap, bring it back home, and unwrap, and one more time, cross, 3, and 2, and one this next time cross and wrap, and then bring it home and release. When you're in the weave, trying to figure out where to do it is a little bit tricky. So if you were doing the left hand on top and trying to do it with the left hand, try doing it when the left is going from on top of the right arm to under the right arm. If you wrap up your right poi and you imagine you're doing a weave like this with your other hand, so it's wrapped up, but you're doing the hand gesture and the hand path for the movement. When the left hand is on top of the right, that is when you wrap. And then as you're wrapping, you bring the right hand home and over the top. So you're here, you cross and wrap, and then bring it in to the buzzsaw. And I did a couple of beats of weave short too, because you could do that. It's your performance. You could do what you want to.